Have you been looking for a 5-bedroom home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of my listing right here at 772 Oak Hill Lane in Belton, South Carolina. And you're going to love this home. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the market here in the greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information are in the description box. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here into the greater Greenville, South Carolina area. All right, let's check out 772 Oak Hill Lane right here in Belton, South Carolina. You are going to love this home. Gorgeous. All right, let's check it out. All right, so this home is located on the cul-de-sac street. Spacious lots, and these homes are a half-acre plus. This particular home right here actually has a 1-acre lot here. Really long driveway. You can get plenty of cars there. 2 cars inside the garage. Automatic door opener. It's a brick front. And as you can see right up there, there's a balcony as well. Okay, let's go check out the inside. And this house was built just last year, so it's only a year old. Got a little front porch there. And as you come in, wide entryway here. And you have a formal living room, flex room if you want to use it as an office, but that's extra space here for you. And you got the luxury vinyl planks that goes throughout the main level. There's a bedroom and a full bath on the main level. There's also a luxury vinyl plank in that bedroom as well. And as you can see on the stairs, you have the hardwood stairs that goes all the way up. So very easy to clean those hardwood stairs, which is great for, if you have kids or if you want to make it a little easier to clean, okay? And right here you have the formal dining room. And you have a little space there if you wanted to put like a serving table, console table or something like that, right over there. And that's the butler's pantry there. So we'll look at it from this side. And you got the cabinets there for the butler's pantry, and that goes into the kitchen. So we'll come into the kitchen from this side as well. And the family room, nice accent wall right there in the family room. And I'll pan around so you can show you. Got a little doggy room over there, or if you have kids, that would probably be a great place for them to play hide and seek. Gas log fireplace that runs off of a switch. There's a switch there for that as well. Let me pan around and show you this kitchen. Gorgeous kitchen, open, and you got the breakfast area as well. Plenty of space in the peninsula here to put your bar stools. So large peninsula island as well. So you got the center island in the kitchen. Double oven as well. So you got double oven and a built-in microwave. 5-burner gas range. Gold fixtures, and you do have the crown molding on the top of these cabinets as well, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. You got the pantry, so walk-in pantry there, so you can do some serious shopping. Pan around over here again, show you around, and brings you back to the butler's pantry and the dining area as well, okay? Go back out this way. Plenty of windows in here, so there's plenty of natural light that comes in this house. And 2-inch blinds throughout, so you've got the sunroom right there. Let's go check out the bedroom on the main floor. So you can see that's the dog's bedroom there, or the kids' hide and seek play area, depending on what you want to use it for. And right here is a coat closet. And this door goes into the garage. And 2-car garage, automatic door opener. There is a tankless water heater right over there. And as you can see, the luxury vinyl plank goes all the way into this bedroom and this bathroom as well. So you got a full bath right here. It is a tub shower, linen closet, and there is access into this bathroom from the bedroom on the main level. And this is not the primary bedroom, obviously. This is just the main level bedroom. Could be a in-law suite, something like that, if you have the in-laws living with you. So you got a closet there. And again, you got a couple of windows in here, plenty of natural light coming into this room. Let's go check out the upstairs. And again, we just swing around here, get another view. Okay, so go upstairs. And like I said, this is conveniently located. I mean, you can get to the highway in no time from here, and then downtown Greenville is super close, not too far from here, and you can get to Anderson as well. So it's convenient to, you know, the Anderson area, and it's convenient to Greenville as well. So let's check out the rest of the tour. All right, so as you come up, you've got the loft area here. So that's the stairs we came up from, and you got a bedroom. So this is one of the bedrooms, and these rooms are very, very large rooms. I think this one's like 12 by 15, something like that. So it's very large rooms. So walk-in closet. So all the bedrooms upstairs have walk-in closets. Turn this way, there's another bedroom here as well. Couple of windows, like I said, plenty of windows, natural light coming into these rooms. Walk-in closet again. And another bedroom here. And another walk-in closet. And this home has a little over 4,000 square feet, so it's a fairly large home. And there's the balcony. Nice little place to come out, hang out, enjoy the sun, enjoy coffee. Bathroom here, and the bathroom, this one has tile flooring and a long vanity there. There is a linen closet here as well, and glass shower door. Okay. And the owner had this shadow wall built in with the lights, so you got the lighted shadow wall there. The fireplace doesn't stay those, but you can put another one there. Right over here is the laundry room, and the laundry room has a little folding table, and this is granite countertops on the folding table as well. And obviously you have the cabinets there as well. and also there's a linen closet here. Let's check out the owner's suite. Huge owner's suite. You got the tray ceiling there, plenty of windows. As you can see, there's luxury vinyl planks on these floors. You won't have to worry about any allergies and stuff like that being in the carpet or anything like that. So there's no carpet here in the owner's suite as well. And so as you can see, you got the bedroom side over there, you got the sitting area side over here. So it's a huge room. Plenty of windows, 2-inch blinds throughout. And in the ensuite bathroom, gorgeous ensuite bathroom. You got the double sinks, which have granite countertops on the sinks, jetted tub. Okay, and you got the towels around the tub, and the towel shower with the niche and rainhead shower head as well. And right here is the water closet with the window and linen closet as well. And then on this side, you have the changing area, which is pretty cool. I know when I go get a suit or something, you tend to stand on something like this to get measured, and so that's pretty cool. And 2 closets, so you got one there and another one here. And again, same LVP flooring on the floors. Okay. Gorgeous home. And if this is something that fits your family, and you're looking for a big house like this, because this is over 4,000 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a loft area. So there's plenty of space here. So if this is something that will fit your family, feel free to reach out to us and ask your questions. If you want to schedule a time to come out and take a private tour of this home, let us know. We'd love to schedule a time to come show it to you. And I'm going to show you outside right now. All right. All right, so I'll show you what we have outside. As you can see right here, the current owner, when they built this home, they extended the patio here, so you have plenty of space to put your outdoor furniture or grill or entertain. Huge backyard. It's a 1 acre lot, so it goes way back there. Super quiet neighborhood. All the homes are kind of spaced out between the neighbors, so you don't have a neighbor super close to you. Again, if this is your first time to this channel, feel free to subscribe so you can be notified about what's going on with the real estate market here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com, or you can click the link below or scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care. Bye.